Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to blur out parts of a YouTube video. Open your Chrome browser. Go to your YouTube Creator Studio. Click the content icon the left corner side. Now click the video which has to be blurred. Then click the editor icon on the left corner side. Click the plus icon from blur option and choose custom blur or face blur. Now I show how custom blur works. Custom blur are used to blur any object in the video. You can also change the shape of the blur like rectangle or oval. To add both blurs, click the plus icon on the top side and add face blur. Wait for a minute to detect the face that obtained in the video. After that, select the face. For example, I take this face to blur. Click apply. Now play and check the video that both blurs works properly.
So when maybe you or somebody else creates an AGI system and you get to ask her one question, what would that question be?
You can also adjust the blur like this. You can also track the blurs like this. After you're done, click save button. That's all. If you like this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.